Casper. You bring him over here. Casper. What? Don't meet with the camera. Not the camera's fault. Go see Dad. He's got sugar water. Oh. Let him drink from the cup, babe. Casper. Here, Casper. Look, water. Sugar water. You know the one you really need to feed that honey is Tika. She really could use some sugar water. She's so skinny. Hi! Hi, Booger Breath! What are you doing? Do you have teak? Let me hold that. There's the little baby girl. There's baby girl Tika. Tika? What is that, Tika? Sugar water. You should like that. Here, let's see if she'll
do it for your finger.
Here, Tika. No, she's trying to eat my finger. Tika. Oh, say hi. Say hi. I'm a baby. What about Boris? Will Boris get it? Uh-oh. Casper, be nice to your sis. Casper. Don't bite me. Do you think Casper's always going to have blue eyes? Babe. Do you think so? Mackenzie?
Yeah.
You do? We are Siamese, if you please. We are Siamese, if you don't please. No, don't chew on my finger. Get Dad's finger. There you go. Hey, baby. Look how cute my little man is. He's teething. Ow! Be gentle. No. Silly, silly, silly man.